Hey, Jonesy here again from Nexa3D's support, and I am going to give you some quick and dirty tips on how to post-cure your prints. When prints are fresh off of the build plate, they aren't quite to the technical specifications as outlined in their data sheets, so they do require a post-cure in order to reach their maximum potential. Now, generally speaking, you are able to use direct sunlight as your post-curing light source. However, a video showing parts post-curing in direct sunlight sounds just about as entertaining as watching paint dry. So I'm going to show you how I did it on this here wash and cure unit. The amount of time needed for a post-cure will vary depending on the type of material that you're using, as well as the thickness of your part. Generally speaking, we recommend post-curing prints for about an hour. Some materials like Key Model Ultra will take half that amount of time. Check out our support site for material-specific details. Flip the prints mid-post-cure to ensure even post-curing on all sides. I forgot it wasn't plugged in. What a chump. These keychains are relatively small parts, so I'm going to start with about 15 minutes and go from there. I might cure them more later, I don't know. Who's to say? I'm a wild card. Once these parts are done post-curing, I will show you how to remove the supports, so I will see you in the next one.